Hello everyone, myself Ashim Das, and today we are going to continue with 3.1. Topic is the reign of terror. In the earlier video we already came to know about King Louis XVI who died, who was sentenced to death on the charges of treason, and his wife King Mary Antoinette also died in the same way. So now we are going to study the period from 1793 to 1794. The period of 1 year is referred to as the reign of terror. So here reign means rule and terror means all were afraid of the rule at the time. And the person who was behind this terror was Maximilien Robespierre. Now Robespierre was the head of the Jacobin Club and had come into power, and Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those who he saw as enemies of the republic, like the nobles, the ex-nobles and clergy, the people of the church, members of the other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods and ideas, were arrested and imprisoned and put in jail. And they were also tried by a revolutionary tribunal, a kind of committee for judging whether the person has really done a crime or not. And if the court found them guilty, then they were guillotined. Actually, the meaning is guillotine. It's a French word. The English word is guillotined. Now, guillotine is actually a device consisting of two poles and a blade in which a person is beheaded. The person's head is put behind this blade and it is cut, and it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who had invented it. So we came to know that Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling or a kind of prohibition on the wages and the prices of the bread and food items. And meat and bread were rationed, means if you have money then also you could not buy more than that. So it was ration for a family, a certain amount was given and that much only they could buy. Peasants, the farmers, were forced to transport their grain or their production to the cities and sell it at the prices fixed by the government. And the use of the expensive white flour was also forbidden. That means the people could not buy the expensive quality of flour, and all the citizens were required to eat the pain d'egalite. It was equality bread, the bread which everybody must eat, and it will bring equality among all the people. So it was a loaf, a bread made of whole wheat. So it was not refined like the flour. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address, like instead of the traditional monsieur, that is sir, and madame, that is madame, that we know now, and all French men and women were henceforth called citoyen and citoyenne. So these are also French terms and it means the word citizen. So churches were shut down and their buildings were converted into barracks and offices. The word monsieur is also pronounced as monsieur. So here we also come to know that how he tried to control the churches and the buildings were converted into offices or barracks for the soldiers. You can see the picture on the side. There is the picture of Maximilien Robespierre. So Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly and so ruthlessly that even his own supporters began to demand moderation. And finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794 and arrested. And on the next day, he himself was sent to guillotine. So he himself died in the same way in which he used to kill others. This is a picture of the famous tennis court you can see here. Now the next topic is 3.2, a directory rules France. So the fall of the Jacobin government led by Robespierre allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize power now. So now that the Jacobin club was not in power, so who came into power? The middle class, and they were the wealthier one, and they began to seize the power. They said that we will make a new constitution, and the new constitution was introduced with everywhere, and which denied the vote to non-propertied sections of the society. That means those who did not have property cannot give vote now, and it provided for two elected legislative councils, and then there will be two councils for making laws and all. And this after that they appointed a directory, and this directory or directory was an executive or a body made up of 5 members. Why 5 members? It was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as under the Jacobins. As we saw, under the Jacobin government, Maximilien Robespierre became so powerful, he began to dominate others. So this time they did not want to do like that. But however, these 5 directors often clashed with each other and also with the legislative councils, and then they sought to dismiss them. Then after that there was a great political instability of the Directory, and this paved the way for the rise of a military dictator, and that one we'll come to know about Napoleon Bonaparte. So how he seized power from these directors and it became a military dictatorship country. Through all these changes were going on in the form of the government, the ideas of the freedom and equality before the law and fraternity, brotherhood remain inspiring ideas and ideals that motivated the political movements in France and the rest of Europe also during the following century. So this is what we come to know. Although these changes came, but these ideas stayed in the hearts of the people. Thank you. Bye.